Electric bikes are exploding in popularity right now, but not all of them are worth your money. This one might surprise you. Specifically, this 14-inch folding electric bike for adults and teens packs a serious punch with its 700W peak motor, making it a surprisingly powerful and portable option for daily commuting. It promises a blend of convenience and performance that few compact bikes achieve, potentially changing how you view your daily commute. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is a compact, 14-inch folding electric bicycle designed for daily commuting by adults and teens. It's an electric-assisted two-wheeler built to solve the last-mile problem, reduce reliance on cars, and make short to medium-distance travel effortless. It's not just a bike, it's a practical, space-saving solution for urban dwellers, students, or anyone who needs a quick, efficient, and eco-friendly way to get around without breaking a sweat. When folded, it's designed to be small enough to fit into a car trunk, under a desk, or in a closet, offering unparalleled flexibility compared to traditional bikes or larger e-bikes. Let's dive into what makes this e-bike tick, and more importantly, why these features matter to you. First up, the 700W peak motor. While many compact e-bikes offer modest power, often in the 250W, 350W range, a 700W peak motor is a significant upgrade. Why does this matter for your daily ride? It translates directly to stronger, more responsive acceleration from a dead stop, which is invaluable at traffic lights or when merging into bike lanes. It also means effortlessly climbing hills that would make you sweat on a traditional bike, or even on less powerful e-bikes. You'll maintain speed more easily, even against headwinds or when carrying groceries or a backpack, making your commute much less stressful and more enjoyable. This motor ensures you're not just getting by, but actively enjoying a powerful, confident ride, easily keeping pace with urban traffic and conquering varied terrain without feeling bogged down. The peak rating means it can handle those bursts of power needed precisely when you need them most, rather than struggling. Next, the 48V10AH removable battery. This isn't just a power source, it's your range, flexibility, and peace of mind. A 48V system provides more consistent and efficient power delivery, especially important when paired with that robust 700W motor, ensuring it performs optimally throughout your ride. The 10 amp-hour capacity gives you an impressive 25 to 30 miles of PAS, pedal assist system, range on a single charge. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.